would like to welcome you to electricir.com, where we're going to talk about increasing your uptime, productivity, and profitability. In 1964, well, it was the year the space probe Mariner 4 went into Mars. The first lung transplant took place. Hey, guess what? The first Ford Mustang was introduced for the first time and came rolling off the line. Well, that was the same year that the first commercially available infrared camera was made available. As you can see in that picture, a lot of equipment to lug around. Well, guess what? Things have changed and years have progressed. Well, since 1964 and still today, electrical infrared testing, although it was the first application, it still is the largest application of thermography testing today. The simple principle is everything above absolute zero can be seen with an infrared camera. So whatever temperature you have in your operations, we can see it. We'll take that one step further. How does this apply to you? Well, guess what? All things will overheat before they fail. As you can see in the picture on the left, that's something easily communicated. You've got pain in your hand, you're going to be saying it. But how about the image on the right? When you've got an electrical problem and a failure that's impeding about to cause shutdown of a critical component in your factory, wouldn't you like to know? Well, for this reason, organizations like the National Fire Protection Association have established standards on maintenance, specifically known as NFPA 70B. Every commercial and industrial building in the United States should have an IR survey at least once a year. And until now, you've not had a simpler solution than electricir.com. What is the alternative? Well, failure is probably not an option with your operation. Maintenance is simply the answer. The act of maintaining or the state of being maintained, the idea is the work of keeping something in proper condition. I believe that's the goal of everybody listening in today. Well, ElectricIR is a national network of certified thermographers who've been specifically trained in the application of electrical and mechanical thermography. All ElectricIR contractors have obtained a minimum Level 2 thermography certification from a recognized training organization like Infraspection or the Infrared Training Center. All the cameras utilized by the contract thermographers have a minimum spatial resolution of 320 by 240, or in other terms for you, high-quality imagery. Our affiliates must attend and complete a rigorous training class spearheaded by our technical director, Dr. Bob Matting. Dr. Bob has been practicing thermography since 1972. He's very well known and considered one of the top experts in the world. Dr. Bob's instructions in our class is second to none, and he continues with an ongoing technical support to all of our affiliates. Some of the names you might recognize: many companies, many Fortune 500 companies have been utilizing infrared services and specifically the services of the contractors of ElectricIR. Companies you recognize like Anheuser-Busch or Becton Dickinson, Black & Decker, Bridgestone Firestone, Duke University, and many more. View our website at electricir.com to see a much bigger list. Some of the benefits of ElectricIR is we have strategic partners like Iris. When you need the infrared windows installed at your facility, we have the connections and the know-how to have it done for you. This can increase safety and increase your bottom line by keeping an ongoing maintenance program going. We also have an affiliation with our sister company, DataCentIR. Data centers, the life and blood flow of America's computer system. Very important and must have a 99.999% uptime. How do they do that? With maintenance. And Data Center offers that opportunity to have your facility evaluated. Why now? Well, increasingly, insurance companies are requiring IR surveys of electrical and mechanical systems for their insured. They do this because they know that their business purpose is obviously to reduce risk and increase profits. I think that's the same belief that everybody listening in today has. Well, electric IR surveys are fast and cost-effective. This is a non-destructive technology which causes no disruption of service. We come when your factory is in operations. Thermal reports are completed and presented along with digital files for archiving. Electric IR has created Connect IR, your opportunity to submit your project for bidding. You are in control of the entire process from selection of contractors to awarding the bid. Welcome to Electric IR and Connect IR. One call does it all, 888-SCAN-4IR, or clients may also request their surveys via our website at electricir.com and connection with connectir.com. We thank you very much for listening in today, and we hope that success in your business will be found with thermal imaging technology.